Welcome to Woodified. Hi, I'm AJ and I make DIY and woodworking videos to save you time and money. I've seen some DIY camera sliders on the interwebs and thought about building one for a while now. However, most of them seem complex or have a short travel distance. While building some garbage and recycle bin drawers for my garage, I wondered if I could make a camera slider from one of my 22-inch drawer slides that I was using for that project. After building 4 garbage bin cabinets with drawers, I decided to put together a quick camera slider before installing the last slides in the cabinet. I drilled a hole in a scrap piece of 3/4 inch plywood to fit a 1/4 inch 1-inch long machine screw. I countersunk the screw head using a large drill bit, and it was a little snug, so I used my hammer to persuade it into place. The machine screw only needs to stick out the other side by a 1/4 inch. You should be able to buy 1/4 inch 20 machine screws from your local hardware store. However, if you'd prefer to have them shipped to your house, I will put an affiliate link in the description below. I also put a link to the drawer slides I'm using. The best price I could find was on Amazon. The slides are 22 inches long when closed. They do come longer than that, and they do come shorter than that. I mounted a piece of wood to the bottom so I could clamp the camera slider to a table. I've never used a camera slider before, so I don't have anything to compare this one to. Overall, I think this camera slider works well, and it was super easy to make. When moving the camera, I found I got the best results when I went slow and steady. The drawer slide has 3 segments, with 1 segment fixed in place, 2 extend out. Now when using the slider, there is some extra resistance when each segment starts to move in the nested position. However, with some practice, I was able to get a decent shot.